our hotel room here in Xiamen. We have a very busy day ahead of us, but it wouldn't be our channel if we didn't point out all the luxuries here in this specific hotel room.
Oh, you almost should open that on me.
And that's that. After 17 and a half days of flying, for some reason, we're finally here, Xiamen.
Wait, how long is it? Okay, so we left Grand Rapids, Michigan, Monday morning at 9 a.m. from my parents' house. And right now in Grand Rapids, Michigan, it's like 3 in the morning of Thursday, like Wednesday evening into Thursday.
So you have to counter in time travel effect, Coriolis effect, gravity of the Earth. We traveled for like a week.
So for anyone keeping track, that puts us at 3.5 days without spending any money yet. Well, we paid for the taxi here into town, but the free flights, and then all free meals on the plane, and then in the hotel lounges. So not bad for 3.5 days to spend zero money. Granted, then we made a visa mistake and we bought a second flight, but very cool. Okay, so sorry, I haven't slept. So this hotel is free because we have an IHG Rewards credit card. When we first got that, there was a sign-up bonus that we still haven't even used the miles up on after 3 years. And it gives you the highest status with the hotel. So not only is this room free, but then I paid points that we earned. So it's not free, everything has but then we got a free upgrade. That part was free because we have status then for having the hotel. So we have ocean view. And then we can see all the ferries right here. Very cool.
Obviously, having the easel has unlocked my creative outlet, to say the very least, but let's go to some of the higher notes in the room. First off, shower in the middle of the room. Your spotlight, right away. You want a shower? Ooh, it's right here. Privacy? You don't need it. You can't hear me. I'll stop talking. What the room lacks in privacy, it more than makes up for in safety. Usually, a fire alarm is enough for safety. Here, boom, fire escape mask. Instead of thinking this is silly, maybe we need these.
Don't worry, we've saved the best for last. For your sitting pleasure in the toilet, I don't have a light. Our options, we have water heater, seat heater, energy saver, and sensor. Over here in our panel, today's offerings are rear cleaning soft, front cleaning, dryer, oscillating, pulsating, wand cleaning, front, back, and flush.
Here, just reach around and make the toilet go up and down.
What do you mean?
Oh, no. No, not like an animal like this. Oh, dang. Wait, hold on, that's the flush button. Oh, dang.
What? I didn't know about that.
One down. Oh.
What? I've been touching it like a savage.
You're an animal.
Oh my
put
gosh.
those lids up. Put them up.
Today was just a quick room tour because we are off to go downstairs and Ruby is picking us up today at 9:30. We don't know what we're doing, but we are so excited to finally put a face with the name and I guess explore a little bit about Xiamen.
Okay.